Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO Y21s, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. First, open the list of all apps and go to Settings. Then find and select System, and go to Reset Options, and here you will notice Reset All Settings. Mark it, click on Reset All Settings, provide screen lock pattern if you wish, tap on Reset Settings again, and wait till it's done. And that's it, that will be all. Now just wait till it's fully rebooted and you'll be able to use it, customize it again. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.